Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for hotels on the Kuwait Airways application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on hotels in the right side, and after that you will be directed to a page where you can select your destination. So tap on where are you going below and either type in the country name, city name, and then select from these options. Select the check-in and the check-out date. And after that, click on the search button down below and you will be directed to booking.com, where you will be able to add more details such as the number of guests and rooms. Then click on the search button down below and in a few seconds you will be able to check out the available offers. As you can see, you can apply filters to narrow down your search, but here you can find all of the available options. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in and check out the details, what it includes, the available rooms, facilities, reviews are also available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.